CallerHQ enables you to finally put a stop to spammers by suing the spammers. This video will explain how to report spam and what the process is for suing the spammers after you report the spam. In CallerHQ at the bottom, you have your messages, your calls, your voicemails, and your contacts. To report anything as spam, simply swipe left and click Report Spam. Once you report it as spam, in the top right, in your Spam tab, you can view all of the spam you've reported. To unreport something as spam, simply swipe left and click Unreport. Going back to the inbox, if you swipe right on any message or call or voicemail, you can call or message that contact. And in this case, where it says Lego Store, to the right, you see the CallerHQ label. That label indicates that the contact name is being provided free by the caller ID through the app. If you go to calls, you can also swipe left to report anything as spam, and same with voicemails. You can swipe left and report it as spam. When viewing any voicemail, you can see the transcription that is automatically provided by the CallerHQ app. In the top right of any messages or voicemails, you can also click the Report Spam button to report it as spam. As currently set up with CallerHQ, you must report the spam to us. If you don't report the spam, we don't see it. Once you do report the spam, though, it shows up in our back office, and we have an entire system to manage and track all of the spam. Our investigators will then review the spam and track down the spammers, and then our attorneys will file lawsuits against the spammers. Under federal law, each spam can be up to $3,000 or more in damages. Now, you might ask, what's a violation? What can I report? Really, anything that you think is spam, you can report and we'll investigate. But under the law, if somebody calls using automated technology and they don't have your consent or permission, it's a violation. For example, if you receive a call and it's a pre-recorded call, it's a recording and no one's there that you can talk with, and they don't have your consent, that's a violation. Another violation is if you ask to be put on a company's do not call list and they call you again, that's a violation. Or if you're on the do not call registry and a company calls you who you're not a customer of or who you haven't asked for them to contact you and they're trying to sell you something, that's a violation. Or if a telemarketer doesn't disclose who they are and the name of the company they're calling with, that's also a violation. If nobody responds within 2 seconds of your greeting, for example, if you say hello, and then it's 4 seconds later that somebody finally responds and says hello, that's a violation. There's also other violations, but those are the main ones. Our law firm covers all of the cost to sue the spammers. If we get any recovery, we split that 50-50. We've had multiple recoveries for multiple clients already, ranging from $500 to $5,000 and more. Before we sue any of the spammers on your behalf, LawHQ will send you an attorney-client agreement for you to review and sign. This authorizes us to be your attorney to sue the spammers. Note that lawsuits can take anywhere from 2 months to 5 years, so it's not immediate. But working together, we will make the spammers stop by making them pay. We look forward to working with you. And again, report the spam to us. We will track down the spammers and we will go sue them.